Hello, everybody, and welcome back to From Pennies to Paradise. I am Tanya, owner of Dreamescapes with Tanya. Tip number 7. Tip number 7 is about those subscriptions. You know how you sign up for stuff? I'm not talking about Netflix because I'm sure you probably watch that, but if you don't, it's part of what we're about to talk about. It's canceling those non essential subscriptions. Cancel them. We have so many different ways to watch TV. You may even want to cancel cable. That's money you can save. You can put that in your cruise account. Money that you can save. So anything that you have coming out, I don't care if it's $5.99. If you're not using it, it should be gone. If it's not essential, something you just don't need, it should be gone. That money you will take and then save. You will end up with probably a significant amount to put in your book. That binder we talked about in the 52-week challenge. Even if you haven't received yours, I do hope that you have started your savings challenge because you can put the money to the side until you get your book, and then you put it in your book when you get it. So this will save you a significant amount, like I said, and then you can put that towards that luxury cruise, that luxury resort vacation, or a regular family vacation, whatever you're saving for. Make sure that you do it diligently and be conscientious about what you're doing. All right, y'all, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more effective ways to save some money. All right, y'all, until next time, see ya.